Heidi ho, my lovelies. Mr. Wonderful here. How's it all going? Hope you had a good week. You know, look at this. I've started tidying up my table. Wow. The only trouble is now I can't find anything. When it's a mess, I can find everything, but when it's clean, I've got no idea where anything is. So, okay, today I'm going to do a shilling. 1948, 1 shilling from the UK. Rule Britannia, Britannia's waves. None of that shit. First of all, I've got to punch a hole in it. Sorry about yesterday, I couldn't make yesterday. You ain't going to believe what happened yesterday. Good God. It was a mother-in-law's birthday, wasn't it? So I was around there. She's okay, she's nice. But I do like the mother-in-law jokes. And she's a bit strange, my girlfriend's mother. Oh, so's my girlfriend, she's a bit strange as well. I'm the only normal one here. Everybody's crazy. Right. This is a 20-ton. Oh, look at this, she's leaking again. See that big drip coming down? Good God, man. Look at it. I need to get these seals fixed. ASAP. Right. Yeah, I thought I'd make a start cleaning my room. If you're looking for a custom ring, I could be your man. If you're not looking for a custom ring, then I can't really help you. Right. So, now, we want to heat it up. I can't find anything. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for the old hitting the button. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a few rings in there, bracelets now, keychains. I've got quite a few coins. If you want a certain date, you can ask me, see what I've got. Or you can even send me your own coins. There's my cup. Oh, God. You can even send me your own coins. It's nice to have some space again. Right. Let's dry it off. So now we just want to clean up the inside where I punch through, make sure it's nice and clean. There's no scratches or cracks forming, otherwise that's going to cause your ring to split. And who the hell wants a split ring on a Monday? Not me, and probably not you. Oh, it's a bit colder today, it's like -1 degrees C. Cold, but still nice, still no snow. Yeah, I was getting ready to do a video yesterday and my girlfriend says, "Oh, it's my mum's birthday today. So we have to go around there for, you know, take her some flowers and present and have dinner there." At least I didn't have to cook last night, which was good. I don't mind cooking though. If I didn't cook, we wouldn't be eating anything. My girlfriend doesn't do the kitchen at all. When I met her all these years ago, she said, "I don't do the kitchen." I thought, okay. And she doesn't do the kitchen, neither. Right. What we're going to go for, I think we'll go for this side, sunny side up on the ring. So it goes face down in the good old 17-degree folding die. Go over to big red. And this is a 17-degree folding cone. Right. Now, if you're watching this up and you haven't subscribed, there's a little red button down here. If you press that, you're automatically subscribed. And if you hit the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So hit that button. Come on, hit it. Hit it. It costs you nothing. And it helps me out a little bit, hopefully. You just want to clean it up, make sure there's no little dings or anything forming. I think I'll warm this up again. Okie dokie. Right, there's my kitchen roll. There it is. Now we go over to spike, my favourite tool. And this baby stretches your ring. That's the way I tell them. Okay. You put the kitchen roll on there, and that protects the inside of the coin, so you don't lose the detail. Give it a bit of a turn each time. And that way it stretches the ring equally all the way around. I mean, who wants a lopsided ring? Oh, God. It's Monday, what do you expect? We're getting there. Well, it's January over, isn't it? Bloody hell. I dare say they'll be putting up Christmas decorations in the shop soon. Hey, bloody crazy. Right, let's warm it up again. Yeah, a few people send me their own coins, so if you've got a special coin in the drawer that's got a bit of sentimental value to you, why not turn it into a ring? They make great gifts, birthdays. I mean, getting early for the Christmas gift, eh? I mean, it's only 11 months to go. Jesus wept. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of spike. And these are reduction dies. on this baby. And you just want to straighten the walls up. See, it's a bit cone shaped. So you find one. Not much going on there. Can I put it in there? Yeah, I'll stick it in this one. Give it a little bit of a squeeze with this bit. This is that 17-degree folding die I used to start with. Is it square? Yeah. Excuse me. See, it's still a bit of a cone shape. So you find it. Maybe this one. There you go. Or maybe a little bit the other way. Let me see with my little beady eye. The camera gives this very full sort of, yes, that's good. Right. So, there's a small lip in there. You want to cut that out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear and it gives you a full size. You cut this out, it makes it a little bit bigger. A bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. That's pretty sexy. See that? Let's cut out that lip. And that fits, it doesn't fit me, but you get the idea. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. This is just a quad zero steel wool on the end of this, or something very, very similar. This gets the fire scale off, cleans it up a bit. Get a little bit hot. We're off to the UK the end of this month, see my friends for 8 or 9 days. And drink some decent beer. Because the beer is useless. It's not beer, it's just lava and shit, you know, chemicals. Wow. Right. I was going to polish it, but I don't know where my polish has gone. Yeah. See, tidying up. Where's my polish gone? No idea. Well, I don't. I think I'll stick with the Edwin look then on this one. So there you go, folks. What size did we get in the end? We got a size. We got a size 57.5. But I can make them bigger. I can make them smaller. So there you go, folks. I would have polished this. Well, I don't know where my polish went. Well, I'll find it for tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Have a great evening or morning or whatever it is where you are. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Tubby, bye-bye.